Finding your Phantom wallet address is easy. Simply follow these steps in order to do so. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Phantom Wallet app on your iOS or Android device and make sure you are logged into your Phantom wallet. Now, once logged in, you can simply tap on the receiver option available at the left side. And once you tap on the receiver, you will get to see the long list of tokens available. Now simply tap on the token you want to see address of. You can see the address by the scanner, or you can simply tap on the copy option available right next to it and copy it. Or you can simply tap on the whole token and you will be navigated to the QR section where you can QR it and know about the address. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.